Look here, understand this question tan inverse x upon root a square minus x square. Here you will suppose x equal to a sine theta. Okay, why we suppose a sine theta? Because you can use here this formula, and if you put suppose this x equal to a sine theta, what you get? X equal to sine theta will be equal to x by a. So what you get? Theta equal to sine inverse x by a. This value you will put in question. When you put in question, you will get this a sine theta upon a square minus a square sine square theta. And when you take a square common, you will get 1 minus sine square theta, and 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta, and a square you take common, this root a square is a, and root cos square theta will be also cos theta. Okay, a square, a and a you can cancel, and you will get this is tan inverse tan theta, and that we get final answer is theta. And what is theta is? Theta is sine inverse x by a. So sine inverse x by a is the answer. Look here, why we suppose this sine theta? Because you can use this formula 1 minus sine square theta. Next question is, look here, tan inverse 3a square x minus x cube upon a cube minus 3a x square equal to 3 tan inverse x by a. This you have to prove. How we can prove? Look here, you will suppose first x equal to a tan theta, and when you suppose the x equal to a tan theta, what you get? Tan theta equal to x by a, and by this you get theta equal to tan inverse x by a. When you put this value in question, you put this value, you get this line tan inverse 3a square, and place of x you put a tan theta, place of x cube you will put a cube tan cube theta, and a cube as it is, and place of x square you will put a square tan square theta. Now from these all you can take common a, whatever a is common. So in numerator a cube is common, you take common a cube, and denominator also a cube is common. That a cube and a cube you can cancel. Remaining you have this, already I given you this formula 3 tan theta minus 3 tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta equal to tan 3 theta. Here tan inverse and tan cancel, and 3 theta we will get, and theta is what is? Theta is tan inverse x by a. So by this you can understand. Look here, one more question is here. Tan inverse, you have to solve this. Tan 1 upon 2 bracket sine inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square cos inverse 1 minus y square upon 1 plus y square. You know this formula, sine 2 theta equal to 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta, and cos 2 theta equal to 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. You will compare this by here. You have to put here place of x is tan theta, and place of y is tan phi. So theta equal to tan inverse x, and phi equal to tan inverse y you will get. When you will put this value in a question, you will get this part, you will get sine inverse 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta plus cos inverse 1 minus tan square phi upon 1 plus tan square phi, and you will use this formula. When you will this formula, you will write tan inverse, look here, tan 1 upon 2 bracket sine inverse sine theta plus cos inverse bracket cos 2 theta. Here cos inverse and cos cancel, sine inverse and sine cancel, you get theta and theta only. These two you take common and you can cancel. So you will get tan theta plus phi, and tan theta plus phi formula you already know, tan a plus b formula, that is you will use tan theta plus tan phi upon 1 minus tan phi tan theta, that you can write x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Look here, one more question is same as it is. Find the value of x. If this equation is given to you, this is the equation, and you have to find the value of x. Tan inverse x minus y upon x minus 2 plus tan inverse x plus 1 upon x plus 2 equal to pi by 4, and you have to find the value of x. Look here you will use the formula tan inverse A plus tan inverse B. Tan inverse A plus tan inverse B you will use. So what you get, look here, tan inverse A plus B upon 1 minus AB. Place of A is this value and place of B is this value. So you will put here. Now you will take LCM in numerator and denominator. You will get this line, and the denominator and denominator will cancel, and remaining you will get this portion. Now you multiply numerator in numerator brackets you have to open bracket, this you have to open. Keep in mind this here is minus is given, so you keep a bracket here, and this will cancel, and remaining you will get this portion. Now here also x and x cancel, x square and x square also cancel, minus 4 and plus 1 you get, that is minus 3 in denominator. In numerator you have 2x square minus 4. So you look here, this tan inverse also you transfer to right hand side. 2 is x square minus 4 upon minus 3 equal to 10 pi by 4. And what is the value of 10 pi by 4? 1. So 1 you can put here, and cross multiply, you will get here a quadratic equation 2x square minus 1. This is a quadratic equation, and quadratic equation x square equal to 1 upon 2. You have two value, x equal to plus minus 1 upon 2. Two value you will get. Look at this question, tan inverse root 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x. These two formulae already we done in 11th also, and now also I given you the formula. 1 minus cos x equal to sin square x by 2 and 1 plus cos x equal to 2 cos square x by 2. This formula you have to put direct in this question. So when you put it this formula in this questions, 2 will cancel, and square we get tan inverse root 10 square x by 2, and that will be tan inverse 10 x by 2, and tan cancel, and we get x by 2. Look here, one more question we have, that is tan inverse 1 by 5 plus tan inverse 1 by 7 plus tan inverse 1 by 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 8 equal to pi by 4. So here you will take two group, first, second, and third, 4, and you will use the formula tan inverse A plus tan inverse B. Tan inverse A plus B, you will use the formula. This side also use the formula, and you will solve. You will get this portion. Then remain cancel. You get this. Again you will use the formula tan inverse A plus B and tan inverse B. You will get this answer, and solve this. You will get this portion. Okay. Now many questions of exercise 2.2 we have done already, so you can refer your NCERT book exercise 2.2. There are many questions we have done. Some questions are remaining, so that also we will do here. 3 sin inverse x equal to sin inverse bracket 3x minus 4x cube. Here you will put in right hand side is put x equal to sin theta. So what you get, theta equal to sin inverse x. Now when you put in this, you get this portion, and I already given you the sin 3 theta formula, 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. That will be sin inverse sin 3 theta, and sin cancel, and you get 3 theta. Theta is what is? Theta is a sin inverse, you can put. Similarly you can do the second question also. And look here, this sixth questions number 6, tan inverse bracket 1 upon root x square minus 1. Here you put x equal to cosec theta. Cosec theta, why you put? Because we have a formula cosec theta minus 1 equal to cot theta, and cot square theta, and cot square theta root will be cot theta, and 1 upon cot theta will be tan theta. So final answer you will get this. So look here, this is hint only, you will solve yourself. Look here, question number 9. 9 question, simplest form you have to write this tan inverse x upon root a square minus x square. You will put here x equal to a sin theta. A sin theta you put means what you get, theta equal to sin inverse x by a. You will put here place of x equal to a sin theta, means you get here a square sin square theta. A square you take common, so you get a square common, and then a square root is a outside you will take, and inside you get 1 minus sin square, 1 minus sin square cos square theta root will be cos theta, and numerator you will have a sin theta. A will cancel, and you will get sin upon cos means tan theta, and tan cancel, and theta you get, theta value is already given to you, so you can solve this. This question number 10, I think already we solved above. Now question number 12 is given to you, cot bracket tan inverse A plus cot inverse A, that already we done this formula of, for this is pi by 2 and cot pi by 2 is 0. Question number 14. 14 is already we done, I think, previous, so you can understand and do. Question number 18. Question number 18, find the value of tan and sine inverse 3 by 5 and cot inverse 3 by 2. Here both are different given. So look here, this sine inverse 3 by 5 is given to you theta. So what is sine theta will be? Sine theta will be equal to 3 by 5, that is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So perpendicular is 3, hypotenuse is 5, so base equal to 4. So tan theta is what is? Tan theta equal to P upon B, and P upon B means perpendicular is 3 and base is 4. So look at theta, look at both is theta. Here you can check both is equal to theta. What we so here the sine inverse 3 by 5, you can write tan inverse 3 by 4. Similarly in right hand side, cot inverse 3 by 2 you will suppose phi. So cot phi is what is 3 by 2, and this is perpendicular upon base. Sorry, base upon perpendicular, and tan theta is what is perpendicular upon base. So you have to do reciprocal only. So phi is what is? Phi is tan inverse 2 by 3. So cot 3 by 2, cot inverse 3 by 2 will be equal to tan inverse 2 by 3. These both value, whatever you find here, you will put these both value, whatever you find, that you put in a question. So look here, you will get this type. And now you use this tan inverse A plus tan inverse B formula. You put what is A is here? A is 3 by 4 and B is 2 by 3. You put in formula, you take LCM, solve these, LCM cancel, final is answer is 17 by 6. I hope you enjoy these mathematics questions whatever I solve. And 2.3 exercise we will do tomorrow. At 2.4 means miscellaneous exercise, many of questions we already completed, some questions are remaining, so we will do tomorrow.